Okay, so let's clean a sterling silver ring, a dirty ring. Usually after a while when you are wearing it, it stops shining, it stops its shine. So it's very easy. You would need a microfiber cloth. Do not use any other cloth. Please use a microfiber cloth, okay? Because others would get a lot of scratches on the ring. Now, it is important how to know how to hold the ring. So I'm not going to hold it like this and then push it with this microfiber cloth. Like, you know what would happen? I'm going to be kind of rubbing it really hard, so it's going to distort the shape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of wear it. So then when I'm pushing it, when I'm rubbing it hard, I'm not going to have a lot of pressure on the structure of the ring. Now let's start, cleaning the ring. So I'm rubbing it really hard, okay? Don't worry. Rub it really hard. If it is real silver, it would shine, the dirt would be gone. If it is not real silver, well, the plating will be gone and you would see something yellow like copper underneath it or black. That is, I don't know if it is zinc or something. So I'm rubbing it hard. Do you see the shine? Yeah. Do you see a bit of dirt here? Yeah. It was not so dirty, so you would not see a lot of dirt, but maybe with your ring you would see a lot of dirt. Now how I'm going to do it inside the ring is, again, I do not want to destroy the structure, so I'm going to do like this. Yes, I'm not sure if that's the right way to do it, but let's do it. Can you see? The ring is all now. Look at this. Yeah, so easily, you can easily clean your ring at home. Microfiber cloth, usually it comes with your glasses, and it comes with our jewelry as well. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video and share. Bye-bye.